back to Nana's Cooking Craft Corner. I'm here to show you some journals. I was working on some envelope journals. I did 3 of them, and this is the very first one with napkins, and I used a sewing machine, and it's basically a one signature envelope journal. And as you can see, these are brads I made, and I got a little bit of butterflies on here, and a little tag for the front part that slips right into the envelope. They're similar, but yet different in the inside. So this is the first one I'm going to show you. And each journal it has its own distinct pages in it. Plus, like I added some diamond or little sequences in it, like a little butterfly, but not in the same spots. Here's some diamonds, half pages. You can see that I've sewn some of the stuff inside of this. Just going to flip through this one here, and then I added a couple little diamonds here, which I think are cute on there. There, and I put a little envelope with a couple little tags in here. And there's the center. I love the center. I think it's really pretty. Okay. More tags. And there's another little tag. And each journal is approximately 28 pages in the journal. All right, let's show you number 2. This is journal number 2, and it's got a little tag again. It's a longer one, though I used a different envelope on this. If you notice, 3 little butterflies, and that is my brad is a little butterfly this time, with little crocheted flowers I did right here. And same kind of opening with the elastic sewn around. And just a little bit of difference. See the butterflies in here in a different spot. And I love the background of this paper. Each one kind of got excited when I was doing it. And here's some more little diamonds on the bottom here that I used. All right, and there. And I like this lined paper here. This is coffee stained paper. Different kinds of paper. And here's another magazine article, which I happen to like plants and all that. And some more sewing on the top of this. And more little tags here. And there's more diamonds right here, little diamonds that I use, diamond sequence. Alright, and we go here. Turning, there's the center, which I like how I did the old way to do it. It's like a one signature journal. I'm going to go here and some more tags right in here. Just flip through there, more sewing on the top. Okay, there's the other side of the page that I really like. It's sewn together with another coffee stained paper, if you noticed on the back. Well, this one I designed myself, the green paper. And yes. There's the back. Alright, so for the final journal, same opening. Open that up. I should say same closure, not opening, but anyways, you can take that out. Same closure. A crocheted little flower here. A different button that I'm using for the brad. The button I'm using for the brad. And we have a little tag here, a little longer, with flowers and bees on it. As you can see, this one is red, blue, and this one's kind of a gold kind of tinge to it. And there's the inside of this one with different kind of paper. And another tag that I sewn, and some diamonds right here across the corner. I'm just going to flip through this and show you. I used a butterfly here, but just in a different spot. And on yellow paper, I just thought it went well. This is another thing that I really enjoyed doing, was I took scrap paper and put them all together to make one page. Here's my bird with the little sequins for the eye. More tags in here. And let's continue on through all the paper, sewing. And here's the center, which I really like this. It really pops the book, the plant pictures. Really, you can use any picture you like. And there's another one. More tags back here. Okay. There we go. And it's coming through. Knowing. And there's one of my cards that I put in here that says, "This is for you." Or whoever you want to give the journal to, or whoever I sell it to, or whatever the case may be. But there's the third journal. Let's bring them back here so you can see them all together. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you soon. Have a great day. Bye for now.